What's up, everybody? It is your boy Trippalorian, and today we're here for Chainsaw Man, the compilation part 1. So there's 2 parts, and it's crazy because this is like a whole thing squished up together for like season 1 episodes, and it's like a movie basically. And I think they added like more scenes or something like that, because I seen something on Instagram. People said they added more stuff for the scenes, nothing that we seen before from season 1. And I was kind of actually wanted to watch season 1 again because I seen the Chainsaw Man movie Reze arc. Really good, fantastic. I loved it. The movie's a masterpiece. Everything was really good. I fucked with it. It was so dope. So then I saw this. I'm like, you know what? Let me watch the compilation part 1 and 2. But today we're gonna do part 1, and I got my friend with me today, my brother Sway. So he's here with us. He's gonna watch it along with us. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, he saw the movie also as well. So he also enjoyed it. We both did.
The movie was great. Every scene, the animation was fantastic. It was really good.
Yeah, really good, man. I kind of want to rewatch the movie again too, as well.
Oh, bro, I already seen it twice, dog. I think I'm gonna see it 3. I'm gonna see it a third time. I'm gonna see it a third time.
Let's go, bro. Hell yeah, that's what I'm talking about, bro. But yeah, I want to watch it again too, bro. It looks it's so dope, bro. The movie's so good. The animation, the music, the chemistry, and everything, bro. Like it's just like damn, just like
it's just funny. It's just funny, bro. I seen a recent post on Instagram that just emphasizes everything about Chainsaw Man. A homeless, horny kid who just gets cheated on by every girl he wants to go out with. I'm like, damn, it's just like that. I'm like, that is true. That is the point of it.
It's like that. But yeah, we're excited for this, guys. We're gonna get it started. We're gonna lock in. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, leave a like, hit the bell to get notified. Shout out to Paper for ending this video. Thank you guys so much. We're gonna get it started. Let's lock in. Let's go.
月収6万だろ右目が30万金玉片方売って
It's the one of the nuts.
残りの借金が3804万
Damn, bro, still owe money.
Going bankrupt, man.
Pachita.
分かってるって
そっちだ
Let's go.
やっぱデビルハンターが一番儲かるな
It's a tomato.
It's a tomato. The tomato devil. Oh snap! Okay.
Oh, okay.
Hell yeah.
Kick back. I never knew that they were making reference to movies.
I know,
in the
right?
intro. That was crazy. I never knew that.
Yeah, I never knew that either, bro. Until people like shared it. It was
That's
crazy,
real badass.
It's just like so much detail they go into this shit, bro.
Literally, bro. Yeah, poor Angie.
Poor Angie, bro. Bro gone through so much. Hey.
Golden ball.
The golden ball. That Don reference. Let's go. Hey. The compilation movie. Let's go, baby.
よくやったデンジ。闇市でこいつの死体を売りゃ相当いい値になる。報酬は40万だ。
400,000.
利子引いて17万。
Ah, the entrance and everything. Yeah.
もろもろを抜いて。
残りがな
70,000.
から水道代を払って他のとこにしてる
Bro still broke.
もう残り1800円になっちゃった
1,800.
There you go. Yeah,
he committed suicide. Damn, 700,000. We chop you up and sell the bits. Straight
Mafia
up.
don't play around.
They don't play
around.
for real. It was destiny to meet a devil. R.I.P. Oh, the blood is bleeding. It's bleeding out.
Oh, poor Tita. Got shanked. Caught you lacking.
Caught you lacking. Bite me. Do it.
Damn, poor Tita looks so mean.
Right? I'll help you out. So you help me out. Oh, let's go.
The way he carries it.
Bro, just chilling, bro. Like his eyes is just like still. He's just chilling. Oh shit. Bleeding. Why he coughing up, man? What's wrong? Heart disease. Oh.
Damn.
His mom died from a heart disease.
Come for the chamba.
Damn.
こんなとこに悪魔出たんすか？
デンジよ、俺たちはてめえに感謝してん。
I remember this part.
犬みてえに従順だし、犬みてえに。
Damn, cut your dog down.
Yeah, disrespectful, bro.
でも俺は犬は臭くて綺麗だ。
Damn. I remember this.
もっと強くなって稼ぎてえからよ。
Oh no.
悪魔の力。
Got set up.
Ooh.
Hell yeah, dude. Tear him apart.
Damn, run. Run.
Oh. All I want is a normal life. Damn. R.I.P. No, they murdered him. All right, man, it's over.
Damn, they could have put it on half. Damn.
R.I.P. Dude.
Damn.
No.
I never noticed that.
俺の夢を叶えてくれよ。
Gotta make my dreams come true, man.
What are your dreams, everybody? What are your dreams?
Oh, there he goes. Reattached. Combined.
Like Venom, man. Like Venom and Spider-Man.
Venom.
Venom and Eddie. We are Venom.
Yeah, we are Pochitas.
Yeah, Pochitas. Yeah.
Hey. You can talk. I give you my heart in exchange. I want you to show me your dream. No.
Damn.
Was that real? Was that a dream? We don't know. I'm like, what? Hell yeah. Nah, you good. You good. You can back off. Yeah.
Damn, it just jumped you. Damn. Damn. Damn.
Bro's talking and he got jumped. Let's go. Ooh. What are you? Yeah, dude. One of us. Hey. It's time to go crazy.
Damn.
Yo. Oh. Stay away.
Are you scared?
Talking all that smack. Where you going? Where you going? Oh.
Ooh.
Let's go. Bro went through all that. Hell yeah.
Score 1 for Nenji.
Hell yeah. Look at him all bloody up. Yeah, they're not normal no more. Kill all the devils.
Yeah.
Bad thing to nobody. Hell
That's
yeah.
one way to see it. That's one way to see it, bro. You're out of debt already. For real.
Ooh.
Damn, damn.
All that bodies, bro. Oh, the detail looks insane.
変わった匂いがするね。人でも悪魔でもない匂い。君がこれやったの？
Mm-hmm. Hug me. Hug me, girl.
私はゾンビの悪魔を殺しに来た。
It's already
公安のデ
dead.
ビルハンターなんだ。
Beat you to it.
君の選択肢は2つ。悪魔として私に殺される。 人として私に飼われるか。飼うならちゃんと餌はあげるよ。
In other words, be somebody else's dogs.
パーキングエリアで適当に食べよ。
すいません。俺金ないんすけ
He's
ど。
like, I'm a brokey.
好きなの
For real.
私の
Literally broke, bro.
Damn!
あと
Yo.
あんなじゃ目立つからこれ着な。
She's like, I got you. This how she groomed him, bro.
汚ねえくせえと言われ、近寄られもしなかったこの
Hey.
俺が初めて優しくされた。
No one has been ever nice to me. Oh, look at him. I love her.
Damn!
Already?
Love at first sight. Love at first sight.
Already? Come on, bro. We already know how she is, though.
一人で食べれる？
食べれる。食べれません。
Real quick.
Right?
おいしい？
Bruh. Yo. Bro said woof.
あなたのお名前は
マキマ。
マキマさん。
マキマ
好きな男のタイプとかあります？
The Denji type. I already know she gonna say that. I remember that.
デンジ君みたい。
I'm into Denji type.
デンジ
Oh my goodness.
She lying. She lying.
俺じゃん。
No fall for it.
Dude,
that's me.
That's me.
マキマさんが俺を好きっつうことは一緒に仕事していくうちにそういう関係になってく。
Are we gonna work together?
関係になったらそういう行為もできるじ
Can
ゃん。
we get together?
そういう行為して
Bruh. Hey.
Hey.
The
名
boy.
前は早川秋。
Aki.
今日は早川君についていきな。
俺マキマさんと一緒に仕事すんじゃないんすか？
お前とマキマさんとでは格が違う。
Ah,
見回り行くぞ。
Makima.
あ、先輩よ。マキマさんって
Senpai.
Does she have a boyfriend?
なよ。
Ignore.
Bruh, straight up.
な
ちょっと来い。
Bruh.
Damn, bro.
For real.
お前仕事やめろ。
You need to quit this job.
明日も来たらまたボコるからな。
Bruh. I'll kick your ass.
マキマさん目当てでデビルハンターだったら。
ピンポン。
Bing bong.
Damn.
Damn,
The
rude.
disrespect.
お前は悪魔にビビって逃げたってな。
Oh my gosh, bruh. It's straight for the dome, bruh. It's nuts or nothing. Oh my god, no. Oh my god, dude.
初めて人並みの扱いされたし、初めて飯食わせてもらった。俺にとっちゃ夢みてえな生活だ。
Oh my god.
いい気持ちでデビルハンターなったけどよ。この生活続けるためだったら死んでもいいぜ。
I don't care if it kills me.
死んでもいいっつうのやっぱなし。俺だけの命じゃなかったわ。
キマさんはな、お前みたいなチンピラが好きになっていい人間じゃねえんだよ。
んだよ。
What the hell you
てめえ
saying?
もマキマさんが好きなだけじゃねえか。
Again? No way.
He's up for it twice. Up for it twice.
Bruh. You only ate for my balls. Oh my god. Dude, he passed out.
先輩が金玉の悪魔に頭を襲われ
嘘です。
Oh my god. That's hilarious.
仲良くできそうでよかった。
Oh.
デンジ君に早川君の舞台に入ってもらう。
Fucking devil.
デンジ君は人間だけど悪魔になることもで
He's
きるよね。
special.
どうだすげえだ
Right? He's special.
そういうの噂半分でしか聞いたことありませんけど。
Nah, it's the real deal. Yeah, he's special.
Yeah, he's
Yeah.
special.
公安を辞職したり違反行動があった場合悪魔として処分されます。
それってどういうこと
What does that mean?
That means
死
you're
ぬま
dead.
で一緒に働こうってこと。
Yeah, until death.
You a slave. You a slave for life.
Yeah, for real. You're a dog. You're a dog for life. You're gonna keep wolfing it up every day, man.
Love at first sight.
もう一回抱きてえな
I hope I get to hug him. His face.
He's jealous. He hasn't even hit what's it called, first base.
Right.
目標の魔人は2階奥の部屋に立てこもってるあとはデビルハンターに任せる
早川さん、隣の人新人？
Oh yeah, they're known in the world, right?
And this one right here?
Like people know devil hunters exist and devils, right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
It's
yeah,
not like
they
it's
do.
not
Yeah,
like
they
a
do.
secret, right? Yeah. Oh shit,
Damn.
dude.
今回はお前が殺せ。
Fiend personality.
力を見せてみろ。それで使えるもんかどうか判断する。
Turn to the devil. Okay. One shot.
No hesitation.
なんで悪魔の力使わなかった？
俺の力使ってで悪魔を殺すとよすっげえ痛そうなんだわ
Yeah, yeah.
俺もこいつみてえな魔人になってたかもしれねえからな楽に殺してやりたくて
Oh.
覚えとけ。魔人も立派な悪魔だ。デビルハンターが悪魔に同情するな。俺の家族は
Oh shit. The dark past.
奥さんと子供を守るために
That's why
命
he's
がけで仕事をしてる。
For real.
悪魔と仲良しにでもなりたいのか？
友達になれる悪魔がいたらなりてえよ 俺友達いねえもん
Cause I don't have any friends, dude.
Damn.
その言葉。
I remember that. It's nothing bad. I mean, he just don't know his situation and all that, but still.
プッツンさせちゃったよ本当はエロ本に血つけたくなかっただけって汚れちまうからな
The dirty
楽に殺してやったん
magazines.
だこれはもらってくぜ
よし。
えっ
The point is secured.
私に見せてくれ。
俺もマジでやってるぜ落ちた契約通り夢みてえない
I'm already living the dream.
いいもん食えて面のいい女も近く
I
に
get to hang around the hot chick.
Honestly, bro,
My
this is
life
just
said
honestly, bro, it just shows how a man is just very simple with simple things. That's all he needs.
Right? He doesn't need nothing fancy, nothing too
Bro,
crazy.
yeah, bro. I get to bam,
なんかあんのか
I get to eat, I get to be around hot chick. That's all you need.
Exactly. I want to touch her boobs. Oh my god.
とっくの昔に
Touching
俺には無理
boobs
だ
is a dream I gave up a long time
今の
ago.
まともな仕事してる俺なら揉めるんじゃねえか
Maybe I can pull it off.
見つけたぜ俺の本気
Bruh.
俺のゴール
My goal is
胸だ
boobs.
おい、話聞け。
話
Listen to what?
小規模任務とかパトロールは安全のため
Hey,
二人
let's
一組で
go.
ちょ
Yeah.
うどよかった来たみたい
She's here.
気をつけてね彼女は魔人だからおうおう
Power.
わしの名は
パワー名前パワー
Yup.
つうか魔人だ魔人がデビルハンターなんてやってもいいのか
Well,
まあいい
whatever. Nice to meet you.
He saw the boots change his mind real quick.
全然悪魔いねえじゃん
Where the devil's at?
わしは魔人になる前は超恐れられてた悪魔じゃったからの
Well, I was here by
逃
now.
げてくんじゃろ
は
Huh?
何か聞きたいことがあったら早川くんに聞きな彼が君たちを組ませたから
やろう
That's So he set me up.
俺
Yo.
を活躍させないようにして俺を辞めさせる気なんだ
Look at that face. That got betrayed. Oh. Where she spilled the blood
おい
from?
おいてめえ
Hey, crazy.
Hey, crazy.
Hey, crazy, where you going? Oh shit. That jump though. Oh, let's go, power. Did you see? Yo.
Crazy.
民間が手をつけた悪魔
Oh
を
my
公安が
gosh.
殺すのは業務妨害。普通だったら逮捕されちゃうよ。
You be arrested, that kind of thing. Bro, she wild card.
こいつが殺せる
Bruh.
てねえよくんな嘘が言えたもんだな
嘘じゃないわい。
It was him.
この人間が悪魔を殺せと言ったんじゃ。本
The human.
当静かにできるできる。偉いね、パワーちゃん。正直どっちが足を引っ張ったとか。
She's feared by all.
私は二人の活躍を見たいん
I
だ。
wonder why.
私に活躍見せられそう。
It's a good reason, man, but
I wonder why everybody like why all the devils are fueled for her. Why?
I don't know. She's hiding something, bro.
I know she is, bro. She looks suspicious.
わしが仲良くできるのは猫だけじゃ。人間は嫌いじゃん。そして悪魔も嫌いじゃん。わしの飼ってたニャーコ。
They took one of my pets.
わしは悪魔からニャーコを取り戻せるなら、人間の味方でも何でもしてやる。
Ooh.
俺は胸揉めるっつうことなら何でもできるけど
Mm.
やはり人間とは分かり合えん。ニャーコを悪魔から取り戻してくれたら、胸を揉ませてやると言ったらどうする？
Got pretty good at it real quick.
仲よ
That fucking devil.
おいよさらうなんてよ
Oh.
デビルハンターとして許せねえ俺がぶっ殺してやるぜ
I'm gonna kill the shit out that devil.
いい間違い。じゃ、
Mm. Oh shit.
Oh,
Damn. He got betrayed.
随分と私を待たせたな、血の
damn, bro,
跡。
damn.
見えたのかと思う。
I forgot about this. I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah, I forgot that she worked with somebody, right?
わしもやっと外に出られたんじゃ。望み通り人間を連れてきたぞ。コウモリ。
Cause she want her meow meow. Oh,
That's a big old bat.
it's a man bat devil.
食事が吠えるな。
バカ。
人間に刻まれた
Bag.
人間の血で癒させてもらう。
Oh. Oh, look at all that blood. Damn.
Tastes nasty.
まずい血で。
Ugh.
ではないか。
Nasty.
That's an awful taste of blood.
他の人間で口直しをしなければ。
Damn. No way. He's gonna be out there killing humans.
僕はしの話を信用できたもんじゃな。やはり人間は愚かじゃ。
Oh, she betrayed
Damn.
everybody.
約束通り人間を連れてきたんじゃ。ニャーコを返しても。
Release Meowie.
そういう話だったか。
And you gonna believe him?
ニャーコ。
私にまずい血を持ってきた罰がまだ。
No.
Nah.
Not Meowie. Dude.
ニャーコ。うぬの名はニャーコじゃ。猫にしてはうまそうな匂いじゃ
She naked?
な。
Yeah, bro, I forgot that she was out there butt naked.
She butt naked, bro.
早く大きくなれ。ニャーコを殺すのが楽しみ
I'm
じゃ
looking
な
forward to killing you, Maui.
Damn.
血の悪魔。
Blood devil.
血が足りない。猫を殺されたくなければ。
Oh.
ポチタをもう撫でれんと言っとったな。
Yeah.
犬の気持ちが分かったぞ。
Damn.
ひどい気分じゃな。
Tis an awful feeling. Oh!
口の中が気持ち悪いぞ。子供の血でうがいをしなければ。
Oh, not
Say
the,
it tastes
not the
nasty. You say
kids.
Tastes nasty, Bubba.
They nasty.
した後は前菜に気
After I go away,
Damn. Damn, we go for the virgins. Damn, dog.
and a pregnant woman for dessert is wild.
Damn.
俺の胸
Give me my tits back. Oh
Let's
shit.
go.
がいなくなった時があった
Let's go, baby.
ポチタはいなくて街中を探しても見つからない悪魔に食われちまったって思ったけど
Hey, the
ポ
OST.
チタは泣きながら
Ah, beautiful.
あいつはニャーコを悪魔に奪われてどんな気持ちで眠ってたんだろう
Let's go. The chainsaw devil.
Damn.
Ooh. In midair.
Damn, bro. Cause you more chaos. Cause you more shit.
Yeah, more destruction.
人を逃がした。
Of course you did, man.
何がしたいんだ。
てめえが腹裂いて胸もむん
Oh, he's scared. He's scared for his life. Oh. Oh, animation looks crazy in here. Let's go, baby.
人間を逃がすようなやつ。
Oh,
Damn.
let's go.
チェンソー引っ込めれたな
体にそぐわぬ怪力。その力でな。
That tiny body.
誰が助けたって
I don't give a shit. What's up, what's up, dude? Damn.
Yo, burn his face up. Oh.
Damn.
Oh, whoa.
まずは回復だ。タバコ臭い血だが、今は許そう。
I'm back.
生きてる。
散々な目ばっかあってよ
Ooh,
And broke his
我
fingers.
慢しかしてね
them fingers going crazy.
Dan just said he got boundaries, bro. I got priorities.
Yeah. Yeah, let's go. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him being goofy. Ooh. Yo, that was tough. Let's go. Hell yeah. Tears. Hey.
Yeah.
なぜわしを助
It's
け
like, let me feel them titties, girl.
For
let
real.
me feel them titties, girl.
For those.
騙してすまんかった。ニャーコは助かったからな。胸は揉ませてやるわ。
Yeah, you made,
made
fun,
fun
of
of my chest.
my chest.
よし
Hell yeah! Oh! Oh!
He's still alive? Oh, that's another one.
No, that's a different devil right here.
やっと見つけたのにあんたでしょコウモリちゃん殺したの私の男だったのに
He was
You
my,
were my
man, bro. What the f?
好みの顔してるから逃がして
You're my type.
What the?
後ろのやつらは
殺す。じゃあ死にな。
Oh, let's go. Oh.
Woohoo!
Let's go. Let's go.
Yeah!
Oh, that was a nice cut. Oh, hell yeah, bro. Look at him. Damn. Okay, Deji. Bro, he is not playing.
I like it. Ooh.
Hell yeah. Oh,
Damn!
you smacked
Damn! Left, right, uppercut.
that
Damn!
face.
悪魔じゃ
Oh. Bro, he going crazy. That willpower don't play with him, bro. Nice.
Damn!
Oh,
いただきます。
time to eat. Hey, Aki. Let's go.
コン
Come. Ooh. Beast mode, baby.
こいつは昼の悪魔だね。
She's the leash devil. May I swallow?
よし
Pause. Made it on time.
For real.
There goes
The gang is
homegirl.
there.
Yeah, the gang.
新人は生存者の救
Homegirl.
出を避難誘導
Yeah, he looks worried.
姫の先輩悪魔の警戒を
Oh, her. Eye patch girl.
ねえだって悪魔と仲良く話してただろ。俺は見てたぜ。
I saw.
Even though you were-
デビルハンターは悪魔と契約して悪魔と戦う。俺は狐の悪魔と契約している。
The fox devil.
体の一部を狐に食わせる契約だ。今回は皮膚を食わした。
I wanted some skin this time.
痛そう。悪魔は常に人の死を望む。それは魔人も同じだ。
パワーはいい。
Power scene is cool though.
理由はわからねえが。お前はまた悪魔に肩入れしているな。
さあ、どうでしたかな。
娘がチェンソーの人に直接お会いしたいと。
Oh, he got fans.
Yeah.
男の命なんて
I don't give a shit about saving some dude.
For real.
Like, he still saved even though he said that.
For real.
Bruh.
詳しく調べて上に報告すれば、血の魔人も、それをかばったお前も処分される。
Get the apple slices.
今回は見逃してやる。俺の言うことは素直に聞くこと。お前はバカでガキで道徳がない。
Bro, just talking shit to him.
分かったら返事。
あんたらみてえにご立派な目標はねえし、しょぼい夢しかねえけどよ。てめえと同じぐらい。俺、
Mm-hmm. It's all serious.
Yeah.
ほんと期待しといてくれ。
Count on me, man.
とりあえず、敬語を覚えとけ。
それも
I'll think about it.
狭い
Now the whole gang is moving in. Now the whole gang is moving in.
Yeah, they moving in. More roommates.
パワーちゃんに貸してほしいの君ならデンジ君と
Yo.
できるからね
なんで俺の家に
Make good release of both of them, bro. That's crazy. The way she puts them. The way she puts it, bro.
信用しているからだよ
My super toast.
はい。
Hey, blushing.
約束だったじゃろ胸を揉ませてやるから揉め
You may fondle my chest.
ありがたく揉むんじゃな
Bruh. She's an angel.
気持ち
Bruh.
そうじゃあんばよかったじゃろいいもん揉めてよかったの助かりなしじゃなヤーコは助けたからの
いろいろ言いてえことあるけど。
Bruh.
ヤーコはもう出るぞ
Bro, his face.
Like they weren't even big.
デンジ君、何か悩みでもあるの？
俺はずっと追いかけていたもんをでもいざ掴んでみるとそんなもんは俺が思っていた
It wasn't big deal as I thought.
これから俺がまた何か違う追いかけてた頃の方が幸せだったって思うんじゃね
I was happier during the chase.
そんなのクソじゃないですか
デンジ君は何の話をしているの？
初めて胸を揉んでみた
It wasn't great.
Damn, just straight up, damn.
指を噛まれたことはある？
Hey, by my finger.
デンジ
He's
君
like,
が
oh
見えなくな
yes.
って
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. He's like, oh yeah. I'm for the bus right now. No.
Damn, Denji.
Let's go. He got the real opais. Bruh.
He's traumatized.
My heart.
お願いがあるんだけど、いいかな？
Yeah.
銃の悪魔を倒してほしいの。
Oh,
Yeah.
the gun devil.
Yo.
13年前、
They appeared in America 13 years ago, but nobody know where it is now. Where is the gun devil?
もしもデンジ君が銃の悪
You're
魔
the
を殺せ
special
た
one.
ら、私が君の願い事、何でも一つ叶えてあげる。
He's like, what?
デンジ君が銃の悪魔を殺せたらマキモさんが俺の願い事
Yep.
例えば
何でもだよ、デンジ。
No.
世界的に銃が前よりも怖がられるように
Gun
なった
violence.
Gun violence.
アメリ
People
カで
getting
銃
scared.
を使った大きなテロが起こったの。
The
America in America.
Yeah, we already know what that is. 9/11.
Damn. I didn't really see that, but damn.
That's literally that's what it is. Cause she said that.
都会のネズミの家族は
Oh, the city
Oh,
mouse
City Mouse.
from the movie, from the second movie. They were talking about it.
Mm-hmm.
Aki.
バカやめろって言ってる
Baka. Baka de doo. Aki and his brother.
And that's when it happened.
It's the origin story. Damn! What the fuck?
だいたい
Dude!
120万人弱を殺した後、
Damn.
銃の悪魔は今日まで姿を消している。
That's wild, bro. In seconds, it happened everywhere, dog.
どうやってそいつは見つけるんです
Deji's like, I gotta defeat the pain devil.
が集めた銃の悪魔の肉片。銃の悪魔は移動速度が速すぎて体が少し焦げ落ちたみたい。
Oh, the bullets.
この肉片がある程度の大きさになれば元
What
の
an
体
ugly,
の
bro.
場所に再生して戻ろうとするみたい。
Yeah, it looks nasty.
公安に悪魔の駆除要請。ホテル内部で悪魔の
Hey, the squad.
科学者の生存不明。駆除に当たった民間のデビルハンター複数人が死亡しているみたい。
The whole gang.
The whole gang. They pulled up. Oh, that's so weird.
Kick it.
Kick it. Boom.
捕まえた。
Oh.
Oh.
Let's go. Yo, let's go, power.
わしにビビって浮き合ったわ。
違う私の
Man, that was my power.
私は幽霊の悪魔と契約
Oh, the ghost devil.
私の右目を食べさせた代わりにゴーストの右手を使えるってわけ
Nice.
私のゴースト透明で力持ちで便利
Hell yeah, it's badass.
こいつを殺すと言ったらどうする？
武器を引っ込めな悪いことしたらいつでも首を絞め殺せるぞ
Damn.
Yo. The ghost of
めんどくさい
Tsushima.
から仲良くやろうよ
He's just smiling.
Damn.
もう少し静かに。
Oh,
Now that you're going in loops.
oh yeah. They got trapped.
About to panic. Panic mode. Panic mode.
8階から9階へ行く階段を登りましたよね。ここも8階ですよ。何かがおかしい。
They got trapped. Oh,
It's the Genjutsu.
yeah.
俺ステーキ食ってみて。
Trapped under my genjutsu, are we?
新井くん今階段降りて
Yo,
いったの
they got caught. They got. She's like she gonna figure it out.
小紅ちゃんダブルピースでじっとしてて
Double piece. Yeah.
That hit.
Oh. We're gonna die.
小紅、そこに立ってろ。
She's just standing there, bro.
Right.
Clueless. Oh my goodness.
She's traumatized already.
窓の向こうにも部屋が。
Bruh.
She's traumatized already, bro.
Hey, yeah.
やっぱりそう近いから出られなくなっている。
They're
Genjutsu.
stuck. Yep.
私たち全員ここ
Yeah.
Damn, dude. She just started. She just jumped straight to negativity, bro.
Negativity.
何を大学に行かせないんだろう。
半分無理やりなんです
yeah.
優秀な兄だけは大学に行かせたいからって私に働く
Cause he's the gifted one. Damn.
風俗かデビルハンターしか選択肢なかったんです私も大学に行きたかった
Damn.
Bruh. We're gonna die. Bruh. Her face.
Oh,
ち
yeah.
ゃん悪魔は恐怖が大好物だからね
Yeah.
悪いニュースがある。俺たちが殺した悪魔がいたろ。
わしが殺したやつじゃな
そいつがどんどん
He's a lot bigger now. Whoa.
Damn.
Where he come from though?
Oh, for real.
How'd he get big? I thought he got sliced in half. Not the contracts.
契約だ。
Oh,
Damn.
let me eat him. They want Denji. See, he's special.
Oh, this is what you comes out. This is what you comes out with the knife.
Who is it?
Oh, crazy little bitch.
Bruh.
Damn.
Knock her out.
アキくん狐で飲み込めば終わるんじゃない
コン、
Nope.
私のゴーストでやるか
Oh, massacre.
Damn.
It gets bigger.
でかくなった
Oh, where's the main body? Oh, damn, the stomach.
出さねえくせによ。
契約って悪魔が使う契約って言葉には強い力があるの契約を片方が守れば
All right.
守らなければならない守れず破った方が死ぬだからデンジ君を殺せば出られるのは本当だよ
姫野先輩。それさ
We should kill him.
Damn, another one.
Murder him.
悪魔はデンジを殺したがっている。デンジの死が悪魔側の利益になるんだろう。だから契約は受けない。
じゃあ私もわしは殺す派じゃ
魔人と悪魔は契約を結べない。だからお前がデンジを殺しても、とにかくデンジは殺さない。俺たちはデビルハンター。
We're devil hunters.
悪魔だけだ。
She's depressed.
暇だから押し相撲するか。
すぐ俺を殺そうとするからやだ。
実際なんか外に出る作戦はあるの？
悪魔の言葉を信じるなら奴を殺すことはできない。でもデンジも殺すつもりはない。
だけどこのままじゃ餓死しちゃう。
The plan is to starve.
Damn.
どうしようもなくなったら刀を使います。
それはダメ。
Damn.
刀使えば解決できんならよ。使えばいいじゃん。
It's
どう
bad.
しようもなくなっても刀は使わない。その時は悪いけど。
デンジ君が死んで。
You don't have to die.
Damn.
姫？
先輩、
Bro, I gotta go. Run! Run away! The eternity devil. No, please make him dead.
Damn.
Just feed him to the devil already.
刀を使おう。
いいですよね、姫野先輩。姫野先輩。
Oh shit.
その刀を使えば外には出られるだろうけど、使うと契約で。アキ君の寿命がかな
Yeah,
り
it takes a lot of
Yeah, that one.
his years.
That one, damn.
たくさんあるんだ。だからごめんね、デンチ君。
Oh!
That damn part just going crazy.
Oh! Aki!
Damn.
Dude.
確かにそいつは刺されても仕方の
Mm.
クソ悪い野郎だが、
Damn.
銃の悪魔を殺そうとしている。俺一人じゃ銃の悪魔を殺せないんだ。
True that.
立ち向かう気概のあるデビルハンターが俺の寿命を減らしてでも
Yeah, he's speaking real
デ
shit.
ンチは殺させない。
We need all the allies, bro, that we can get.
お前血の魔人なんだろ。こいつの血止められるか。
わしが自由に操れるのは自分の血だけじゃ。他人の血は難儀じゃが。
Just do it.
飯を作る人間がいなくなるからな。
Ooh.
仕方なくや。どうしよう。
She freaking out too.
Damn. Damn.
Dude.
ああ、はいはい。じゃあ食われてやら。
It's snack time.
あの悪魔。なんだか知らねえが、俺のチェーンス
And scare my chainsaws.
だから自分じゃ手出せなくて、てめえらに俺を殺すよう言ってんだ。それにあの悪魔、攻撃を受けた時に
Chainsaw man.
俺をかばいやがって。余計なことすんじゃね
Nobody asked you, asshole.
えよ。何借りつくんの。もううんざりなんだよ。外出れたら貸し借りなしだからな。
Let's go.
Yeah, yeah. It's over. No, it ain't.
Yeah.
Let's go, baby.
Yeah.
The chainsaws. Ooh. Let's go.
デンジの血がなくなり続けておる。そうなればあのチェーンソーは。
Oh, got him.
Oh. Oh.
He got weak.
チェーンソーが引っ込んだ。血が足りね
Where the blood at? Yeah. Let's go.
Damn.
He had no choice.
Just like, give me some check on your bro real quick.
てめえのそん苦しい顔見ながら飲みや。いちごジャムに
It makes it sweet like strawberry jam.
Yeah.
我が恐れるデビルハンターはな、頭のネジがぶっ飛んでるやつだ。
He look like he cold-hearted.
一緒に仕事してみて飽きないやつはどうだ。
They set him up.
銃野郎を殺そうとしてる人がまともなわけないじゃないですか。
That gun devil going down.
どう殺したくて公安に入ったんだろう。 その頭のネジはぶっ飛んでいるか。
ぶっ飛んでません。
お前もだがな、重要
Everybody want the gun devil.
Yeah, Gun Devil's menace.
毎月バディの墓参りに来てるようじゃネジは硬いままだぞ。俺は帰る。秋はまだまだ雑魚だから鍛えとけ。
Make him work.
Oh him. Oh him.
秋の野郎、本気で肉片集めてるだろう。あいつはそのうち銃野郎にたどり着くぞ。
He's finna go crazy.
銃の悪魔と戦ったら絶対ヤキ君は
He gonna die.
私たちがまだ実力不足だからでも相手が一瞬で何百人も殺せる悪魔だからでもない。
In seconds, it can be dead.
かっこよくて真面目で優しくて
Touch on him.
みたいに
Touch on him.
That's why he said he needs allies. That's why he's like, I can't defeat him by myself. Then we got somebody here with chainsaws. No.
てめえが俺に切られて血流して俺がてめえの血飲んで回復永久期間が完成
Hell yeah, let's go.
この最高にネジがぶっ飛んでる男なら銃野郎を殺せる
Oh. Let's go.
Damn.
Bro, still going
After how long?
at it.
After how long?
Still trapped.
これが私の急所です。
私の心臓です
Please kill me now.
もう終わるのかプール入ってるみてえで気持ちよかったの
Where's
に
your heart at? Oh.
Oh.
Damn.
正直さデンジ君って何者だと思う？相手の悪魔がデンジ君のこと知ってたみたいだし
Denji's Denji.
一番謎なのがあのマキマさんがデンジ君を気にかけてること。マキマさんあちこちに行くのに最近は東京にいるのって
Because of Denji.
デンジ君の秘密を知ってるからなのかも。
Of course. Of
マキマさん
course.
に合わせて聞いてみよっか。
I want her to
I want to
get
get
hammered.
hammered.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah.
Damn, dude.
チェーンソー日
Chainsaw days.
和もったいない
Pochita. Oh. What's this?
じゃねえウェルじゃねえかよみかんの皮いらないならくれよ食うぜ
Orange skin? Eat the skin.
かさぶたくれ
What?
俺食えるか
Give me
ら
the scabs? Bruh.
それは嫌
Not this time.
栄養なのに
It's nutritious.
Is the nutritious or what?
デンジと私の定番料理丸1
Buy some flour.
丸2水で小麦粉を
Take some water,
溶か
mix
す
it into the flour. Pochita! Yo! Eat it soup style.
だけど今日は
But today,
今日はクリス
because it's Christmas. What he added? Compilation.
丸4今日はクリスマスなので
That's some sugar before eating soup style.
ケーキみてえなしたな
Tastes like cake.
二人ともケーキを食べたことはない
Damn.
Yeah, they never had cake
Never
before
had cake.
that.
大人の味
この店はコーヒーがうまいんだ。
はあ
Not the
コーヒー
cafe.
初めて飲むぜ
That's
泥水だ
a muddy water.
ガキにはわからん味なんじゃ
Sludge.
騙しやがってよ泥じゃねえか
飲めるドブじゃ
Top
ちょんまげ
knot.
ねえねえなんでそんな変な髪型にし
Yeah, what's the reason?
常との契約で皮膚以外もたまに請求されるんです。その時にこの部分をあげると喜びます。
Oh? She likes the top knot.
私もその部分欲しい私も請求します
I want one too.
キャッチ
Cheapskate.
週1くらいで宅飲みする
Bruh. It's gone. Dude, no. That was drug me. Hey, yo. Bro, he's sad.
なぜならたくさん弱みを握られる
Bro's about to cry.
家宝にします
Oh my gosh. Poor Aki.
Oh, wait.
Damn. All right, so that was the end of Chainsaw Man Compilation Part 1, the movie, and there's a second part, but that's going to be in a separate video recorded. Might probably do that another time. But yeah, man, overall, I mean, I enjoy this. I think I'm pretty sure it feels like some of the stuff was in season 1 because, yeah, I am kind of curious too if anything changed or if anything was a little different, but I'm not too sure.
I think the competition was just those towards the end. I think it was those.
Yeah, I think that was like just at the very end, like that's like that was just new scenes, like stuff I guess they added in because I didn't see that in the first season, like the original.
Yeah, exactly. So I think it's just those that they added towards the end.
Yeah, very end, dude. But yeah, I mean everything was great. I love the whole universe of Chainsaw Man. I love Denji, the whole characters, Aki, Power. It was really nice having that refresher because since I seen the Reze movie, I want to dive in again back to season 1 because it's been so long since I seen season 1. And yeah, so this is like pretty good. It's like for me to watch because since it's like a whole like movie worth of like to watch. But I mean, then again, you know, I could still rewatch season 1 again. So there's that as well. But yeah, just everything, the animation, the music, the fighting, how the characters are. It's great. It's amazing. I love it, man. And just love Chainsaw Man. The universe is just wild and it's just funny and goofy and how Deji just had how he had it.
Denji just a gooner, man. He's just trying to goon. He's just trying to goon, dog.
Like, even though, like, you see Deji's goal is, like, I want a kiss, I want to grab boobs or whatever. Well, you know, he comes from a broken home. Well, he's by himself. His dad committed suicide. His mom died, like, probably, like, a heart attack or some kind of, like, heart disease. And he's been on his own, so he's been broke, eating nothing but trash and scraps and stuff. So he's out there.
One slice of bread.
One slice of bread, bro, with Buchita. But, yeah, then when he finally gets food and a place to stay, he's happy. He doesn't want anything else. He just fine how he's living. It's just like a simple life, just simple. He don't need nothing like too crazy, nothing big. Bro's like, I got good food, I can shower, I got clothes, and I got a hot chick to talk to. You know what I'm saying?
That's all a man needs, bro.
That's
Just
all I
three
need.
simple things, man. That's all he needs.
For real. So yeah, man, it was so great. And yeah, so just like the whole Chainsaw Man universe, you guys gotta check it out. It's worth watching. There's more to it than all this other like stuff that we see, like the gooning stuff, whatever. But yeah, it's just more to it, man. This show is art, bro. The whole everything just art, bro. This is just art, like straight up. But yeah, how about you, Sway? How you feeling?
I liked it.
Like
I
the
liked
light.
it. Yeah, it's just that I'm really trying to remember though. Like, was everything in this movie right here? Was everything in the season in the show?
Season
the
1,
episodes?
yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to rewatch it to be honest.
Yeah, for real. But yeah, I mean, other than that, I mean, yeah, we enjoy this. This is long, so the length of this, you know, for real time, it's like 2 hours. But we'll see how it goes. You know, for the
I think they're gonna make the same thing with Demon Slayer, right? With Infinity Castle, that they released the movie, but then I think with like sometime next year they're going to release it within episodes. And
Yeah.
they're gonna add like different, like a couple of different scenes in there, right?
They're gonna have the movies, the Infinity Castle. They're gonna break it down into like seasons, so it'll be like in episodes. But I think they're gonna do it both. They might probably release like the full length of the movie, maybe, and then they probably release like also like seasons. But who knows? Who knows how they'll do it? Maybe they do both, or if not, I don't know. We'll see how they do it in the future.
Jujutsu Kaisen next month. Woohoo!
Oh, true that. That's true.
Jujutsu Kaisen. I'm excited for the new season.
The new season comes out in January.
Exactly. We got a good couple of animes coming out in the beginning of the year.
2026, man. The beginning of the year, we got good anime for real. All peakness coming out, man. All right, man. So yeah, we're done, man. We're out of here. We need a rest. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, guys, we're out of here. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it to the end, we're out. Peace. Until the next one. We'll see you in part 2 of the Chainsaw Man compilation movie. Peace.
Peace.